Welcome to the vast and multifaceted world of IOL chemicals and pharmaceuticals.
We believe any organization's true asset is their people. And every day we are driven one step closer to our mission by the force of more than 2,000 spirited individuals. Our teams comprise some of the most proficient people in the industry. Over the years, our organization's management has had momentous additions by people with progressive mindsets.
We continue our endeavor in high-scale APIs and specialty chemicals by bringing in best-in-class R&D and manufacturing philosophies to evolve sustainable business.
They are empowering Team IOL while researching and developing future pharma ingredients.
At IOL, we keep pushing our boundaries while working on innovations which can take product and manufacturing science forward.
Our governance system directs the focus of our business activities on sustainable value creation and innovation. We motivate our people to bring out the best in them by ensuring a collaborative and performance-oriented work culture.
We operate our business in a very transparent, legal, ethical manner so that they are focused on values. The products that we manufacture are made under processes that have the minimal impact to the environment.
Team IOL has grown over the years not just in numbers, but individually. People's growth, along with the company's, has been an incredibly inspirational journey. We are surrounded by people with exemplary mentalities, helping us to reflect on the future. We have a family of over 2,000 people. Our multi-dimensional work environment offers high growth opportunities through challenging roles with clear responsibilities across all disciplines. Here, we're able to create unprecedented value and development opportunities for our customers, employees, business partners, and shareholders.
We have a zero-tolerance policy for anything that might come in the way of the safety of our people. Hence, we conduct frequent training sessions and drills to maintain preparedness and often ensure employee engagement through open dialogues. The health of our employees is equally essential to us. We frequently conduct health examinations and provide wholesome meals to all our employees and assist them in balancing their professional and personal lives. Here, business and sustainability have always coexisted together. We have always contributed to creating an enduring change. While we explore strategic growth opportunities to expand our business, we also endeavor to make a meaningful difference in the lives of communities that surround us. More than 35 years ago, our group's founder, Mr. Verinder Gupta, turned a pioneering idea into reality to spark a meaningful difference.
We, a purpose-driven niche API and specialty chemicals manufacturing company, are committed to enable success for our esteemed customers so that they can serve the patient globally.
And today, our group has not only brought a significant impact on the lives of patients across the world, but on the lives of our dynamic workforce as well. After 36 years of witnessing leaps and bounds together, we are passionate, more than ever, to create value for our business, society, environment, and our people.
Together, we are IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. For further information, visit our website iolcp.com.